Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya atas nama Hadijah, NIM H03205531. Di sini saya dari kelas Biologi B, pelajaran bahasa Inggris. Saya akan membacakan tentang what is biology. Biology is the nature science that focuses on the study of life and living organisms, including their structure, function, development, interaction, evolution, distribution, and taxonomy. The scope of the field extensive and is divided into level specialized disciplines such as anatomy, physiology, genetics, and many more. A living things are a trans, cellular organization, heritage, genetic material, and the ability to adapt atau evolve. Metabolism to regulate energy needs. The ability to interact with the environment, maintain homeostasis, reproduce, and the ability to grow and shrink. The complexity of life. Despite its complexity, life is organized and structured. The core theory in biology states that a living organisms are composed of one or more cells. The cell is the basic unit of life, and all cells arise from previously extinct cells. Even single-celled organisms such as bacteria have structure that allow them to carry out essential functions such as interaction with the environment and carry out chemical reactions that maintain life or metabolism. In multicellular organisms, cells work together to form tissue, organ system, and finally entire organisms. This hierarchical organization can extend further into population, communities, ecosystem, and the biosphere. Genetics and adaptation. And genetic material, the biologic blueprint encoded in their DNA is passed down to their offspring over the course of several generations. The genetic material is shaped by the biotic and abiotic environment. This process involves adaptation. Offspring of well-adapted parents have a high likelihood to survive conditions that are similar to those that their parents live in. The process in which inherited traits encourage survival and reproduction is called natural selection. Natural selection is the central mechanism of evolution. For example, some kangaroo rats live in hot and dry areas with lightly rainfall. To avoid the blizzarding heat and conserve water, they burrow into the soil where it is color and lower their metabolism rate to slow down evaporation. In this way, the kangaroo rat's genetics and encoding this behavior and passed down through generation enables the animal to survive in such extreme environmental conditions. Environmental interaction. Organisms must also be able to successfully interact with their environment. This includes being able to navigate the world around them, is share of resources or potential matters, but also includes regulation their internal environment, home status in the ability and of organism to keep steady internal condition. For example, humans maintain constant body temperature. If they get cold, they shiver. If they are too hot, they start to sweat. Living this also maintain metabolism. The chemical process that regulate energy needs. For instance, plants convert sunlight into sugar and store terminal energy in adenosine triphosphate, building upward from basic chains. While what is biology and what is life may seem like basic questions, they are important to understand and are prerequisites to asking more complicated questions. For example, widthhood, understanding the basic tenets of life, such as how shall defeat and replicate it will be difficult to investigate what causes cancer. This could also allow scientists to develop the requisite tools and methods to study biological process. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.